Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now before we get started, we will need a little SIM ejector. This comes provided with the device, so you can get it from the box, or you could also use paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it will work just as well. Now once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray with it, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see right where the pin is actually holding right now. So once you push it in, you'll see that the tray pops out. So let's take it out, and here we have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So I'm gonna place the SD first and then a single SIM on it. And you can place the SIM card on either of the trays, it doesn't really matter. So from there, let's pop it back into the phone. Now make sure you do it gently so the card don't actually pop out off the tray. It's not very secure, so just remember. But yeah, once we pop it in there, you should see, there we go. It should work right away. I do have a pin on my SIM card, so let me just quickly confirm that. And now I can unlock it. There we go. So, SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is working as well. And that is how you would insert both of them. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.